With the management of the SLBC at the affected space, the broadcaster's board chair, Dr. William James, expressed deep sympathy, describing the incident as unfortunate and setback to the institution's progress. She called on the general public to support the corporation.
This place is done in a very short time, possible time, because work has to go on. Because that's what we've been saying. But this thing is just putting us back, sincerely. So we're here to sympathize with you, and that's what we do.
The Director General of the SLBC, Josephine Fatima Kamara, commended the board for their timely visits, stating that their presence demonstrates their commitment to the institution. She added that the show of support reassures management that the board has the interest of the SLBC. Hours later, the newly appointed consultant managing director of the Africa Young Voices Media Empire, Umar Fofana, entered the SLBC with his team to sympathize with the public broadcaster. Observing the burnt space, Umar Fofana advised SLBC's management to place fire extinguishers, fire alarm at the office, and train staff on how to use them. He presented a sum of 10,000 new loans to the SLBC on behalf of AYV.
It's easy for you to give people fire extinguishers when they go and renew their licenses.
Exactly.
But it's a different thing altogether to let them know how to use it.
Yeah.
So do short videos and just send around on WhatsApp awareness videos about how to use fire extinguishers.
Right.
That can save a lot. And then training everyone to know how to use it is another.
Director General Josephine Fatima Kamara thanked Umar Fofana and AYV for the support and expressed her desire to continue strengthening SLBC's existing relationship with Umar Fofana and AYV to share ideas, experience, and promise to be transparent and accountable. She reiterated the institution's fundraising drive for total transformation.
So thank you so much. In terms of transparency, we have had an extensive board meeting today. And we will make sure that every dime that is received by individuals, corporations, organizations, institutions is accounted for.
Efforts are ongoing to rehabilitate the affected facilities. SLBC News, Yusuf Mosire Suma reporting.